Hi friends, today we'll discuss about SOAP envelope XML, how it will look like. The SOAP fault, the version 1.1 look like this below, and 1 point is look like this below, and 1.2 has fault and code and reason, and the remaining other details also available. So we'll check how to capture the fault details, and if we want to uh, check the if a given soap envelope contains fault or not, we'll check and we'll see how to define that one. So let me delete this one. See, this is the XML I have taken from the this website. So this is the soap envelope fault details. Soap envelope, header, body, fault code, reason, and text, and other details also available. This is other details are available. So up to body I gave, and I can see the details, fault and fault code, reason, and details. So here what I have to capture is I want the order details from the fault. So we'll capture the fault, so I can get the code and reason and the details. After that, see, if you want code specific details, we can take. If you want the other details, reason, we can capture those as well. See, here our requirement is to capture the order details. So I will go to details. Why means the tree structure is like this. See, inside the fault we have code is there, reason is there, role and details. Under the details tag we have the order. So I have to go inside the details, and then we have to see. Let me comment out this line. See, let me give like this ns0 order. Here we have separate namespace for this url, separate url for this order details. So if I am try to access this order details with the ns namespace, I can't able to access. So explicitly we have to specify the PO reference, then only we can be able to access. Let me give the PO. Okay, I gave 0 here. See, now I can be able to access the data inside this details. This is the order. If you want confirmation details also, we can be able to access. 1 second, I am checking. This namespace is different, so we have to define this namespace here. That's why we got a null. See, namespace, and this is confirmation, right? Let me give COM. Okay, so what we have to do is this is the reference, so I will give the reference here, then we can be able to get the confirmation data as well. So like this way we have to capture the uh, child elements, child tag element data from the given soap envelope XML, not equal to null. If the data is available, we'll get true. If data is not available, we'll get false. Like this way we'll capture the data, and we'll check the condition if the order have the data or not, or fault tag is available or not. We'll check like this way, and we'll process further in our mule flow. If you want to capture the details, we'll capture, and if you want to assign this data to specific variable, we can assign. See, able to access this data. Like this way we can have multiple namespaces. This is one URL, this is another URL, this is one more URL. We can give the reference like this and we can access the data. Thank you.